Karon paingon mi dinhi sa Sabangan. Kanayan, Malay-Balay, Bukidnon. Makita na to dinhi ang Mount Kiamo.
Sakit tadi guys. Karon ato na to mga kay grabe to. Tara dito sila. Dito. Sapa.
Kaning river dinhi mo ni siyang gitawag nga Taguluan River, the 13th biggest largest system river in the Philippines.
Grabe kalumuton. Di ka mabalaga sa ako. Ay! Ya! No boy! Kanang gamay agi. Uy, tanaw mo ba kay apil ba yun sa tugkod? Sige na.
Wilaw mo kay nadira.
Nay, alin mo ito.
Jani.
Sa gamay agi dyan. Unsa rin naadad ko.
Mao ning gitawag nga paniud to nga budol fight. Di mga unta. Mga on.
Let's go. Hey.
Kaon.
'cause I know when I wake, I will have to slip away. And when the day
Hi guys, nami karon sa pinakapuntayan ng bukid.
but tonight
Had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there. Here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With an oink oink here and an oink oink there. Here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had some ducks, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack quack here and a quack quack there. Here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a baa-baa here and a baa-baa there. Here a baa, there a baa, everywhere a baa-baa. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
No, 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 don't worry about nothing. Oh, it's all gonna be good. Oh, 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 you're really something now. Didn't you know that you could? No, 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 don't worry about nothing. Oh, it's all gonna be good. Don't worry about nothing. Don't worry about nothing, nothing now. It's all gonna be good. So breathe like you know you should. Yeah, breathe till you've understood. Until you're feeling like yourself again. Feel the sunlight on your skin. Keep your heartbeat beating. Go on, breathe in.